Assalamu alaikum friends and welcome back to Travelism. Today I am going to take you to track of Dudi Patsar Lake, so stay with me till the end of the video. From Islamabad you have to go to Naran first via Hazara Expressway and it will take you around 6 hours to reach there. Then from Naran another 45 kilometers drive will take you to Basel from where the track starts. At Basel, there's a popular restaurant called Moon Restaurant. That is actually the starting point of the 18 kilometers long track for the lake. First things first, you have to cross the river through a dolly made by the locals. You can hire a porter with a horse who will charge you around 2500 to 3500 rupees for both the sides. At 1 p.m., once river is crossed, our marathon began, and it was early August, so things were quite warm, but the cool wind was like a blessing. This terrain is very beautiful right from the word go, but a very demanding one due to its length. As I was the team leader, so I made sure to give every kind of info to my friends before coming to this track. So at the start, everyone was very happy and excited at this point that we were heading for a beautiful lake. After crossing a river and climbing a few hundred meters, we finally reached our first main hurdle, this glacier. We made few basic mistakes before coming to this track. Only one person in the entire team had a trekking pole, and I had a pair of crampons which most of my friends used to cross these glaciers. But after these glaciers, sanity returns to the proceedings, and we were once again in lush green meadows, water flowing right beside us, and but we were far away from our destination. Until now, everyone was exhausted, and one of my friend got a foot injury as well due to lack of experience in trekking. Our aim was to reach Mulla Ki Basti, which is a campsite there, just before Dudi Patsar, and to stay there for the night and go to the lake next early morning. On the track, we were hit by rain, met rock falls, fell into dirt traps, but we kept on going until we reached Mulla Ki Basti at around 10 p.m. and went to sleep straight away without having dinner. It was scary at night because we only had one torchlight and nothing else. Guys, Mulla Ki Basti is not that expensive. You can get camps from 1000 to 2000 rupees for 4 to 16 persons. Breakfast cost is around 150 rupees per head approximately. Lunch and dinner is inexpensive as well. It is a beautiful campsite with vast, lush green fields and huge mountains around you. The next morning we were up early, did breakfast and had a meeting. Due to health situation of my team members, I decided not to pursue for the lake as it might bring more injuries and we were short of time as well. So we decided to head back to Basel and drive back home. It was so heartbreaking for me to have reached so close to Dudi Patsar Lake, yet it was so far away. I learned few lessons on this track that newbies must not come to such terrains without any prior experience. With hope of coming back to this lake one day, inshallah. It's time for me to say goodbye. But before you go, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and take care. Allah Hafiz.